Power BI is an incredible tool, but even experienced users make common mistakes that slow down performance and reduce insights. Today, we'll cover the top 5 Power BI mistakes and how to avoid them. Let's dive in. Mistake number 1, poor data modeling. A messy data model can lead to incorrect calculations, slow reports, and frustration. Here's how to fix it. 1. Use a star schema, separate fact and dimension tables. 2. Define relationships properly, one-to-many, many-to-many. 3. Avoid redundant columns and tables. 4. Use DAX measures instead of calculated columns whenever possible. Mistake number 2. Overloading reports with too many visuals. More visuals don't always mean better insights. Overcrowded reports can be slow and confusing. Instead, try this. 1. Focus on key metrics. Simplicity is key. 2. Use bookmarks and drill-throughs for extra details. 3. Limit the number of visuals per page. Keep it clean and clear. Mistake number 3. Ignoring data quality. Bad data means bad insights. Here's how to ensure high-quality data before loading it into Power BI. 1. Clean and transform data using Power Query. 2. Remove duplicates and handle missing values. 3. Standardize date formats and other fields. 4. Validate data sources before using them. Mistake number 4. Not learning DAX basics. Avoiding DAX? You're missing out. DAX is essential for advanced calculations in Power BI. Here's where to start. 1. Master basic functions like sum, average, and calculate. 2. Understand row context versus filter context. 3. Create measures for common business scenarios like year-over-year growth and running totals. Mistake number 5. Not planning for scalability. Power BI isn't just about today's reports. You need to think about scalability. Here's how to future-proof your reports. 1. Design optimized data models. 2. Use aggregations for handling large data sets efficiently. 3. Optimize queries and remove unnecessary calculations. 4. Regularly review and improve report performance. And that's it. Avoid these 5 common mistakes, and you'll be on your way to creating powerful, high-performance Power BI reports. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Power BI tips.